Center Administrator in One Stop Center, running by Director of Women and Child. So a campaign is going on in national campaign against child marriage. So there are many cases in not in Goa but in other states there are many cases of child marriage. So we are fighting against it. So we should not below 18. No one should get married. And even One Stop Center works for domestic violence cases regarding all the women in Goa. Also, we provide support, protection, and empowerment to all the women. So, One Stop Center also have a shelter that we provide for 7 or 10 days, and who is in need. And also, we have a counseling and our case workers over here. अपना घर मेशी गोवा and you can contact me Apura Shetgaonkar, or also we have a toll free number 181 that is women helpline.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.